Hello, and thank you for joining us for another Kingland demo video. This one is very exciting. This is around our cognitive intelligent news surveillance solution. This also pairs well with the text analytics and data extraction techniques that we use here at Kingland. This is really going to showcase companies, people, and events that a user cares about. And that's what we're seeing here from the dashboard in our quick counts widgets that we have. Scrolling down the dashboard, we have a section called News Surveillance Curated for You. This section is going to pull relevant articles or content pieces of the companies, people, and events that I care about. Scrolling down, we can see system analytics, so we can see an overall system count of all the companies, people, and events that are available. There's also some documents analyzed statistics as well as surveillance accuracy. This particular example is looking at Goldman Sachs acquiring Boyd Corporation from its parent, Genstar Capital. We want to show here that we've extracted the companies, people, and events out of this article, queued it up in our speed read technology, and give users the ability to share it with other people, comment on it, and even retrain our cognitive engine if needed. Filtering by Goldman Sachs, we can really see where Goldman Sachs was mentioned in this particular document. Large documents can also be easily navigated using our speed read and cognitively indexed companies, people, and events. So now that we've looked at this particular merger that's happening or acquisition, we're able to look into Goldman Sachs a little bit more by drilling down into Goldman Sachs from our dashboard. We're going to see the most recent and relevant content pieces that are related to Goldman Sachs in this search result here. You can see that we base things on relevancy. We extract all the different entities and actions out of these documents that are very consumable to the user. This example, we're showing filtering down on a particular company that has been mentioned within this search result. You can also see the ability to filter down on additional information, such as a partnership that potentially was mentioned in one of these documents. Once we filter on that, we can see even a more fine-tuned search result for this particular corporate action. Heading back to the dashboard, we now know that we need to make a data management change for the relationships between Goldman Sachs, Boyd Corporation, and Genstar. Let's go ahead and show that now in the Kingland Platform Data Management. Please refer to our other videos on the Kingland platform, such as the hierarchy video, for a more in-depth view of how hierarchy changes happen. What we're showing now is a search for Genstar Capital. We need to remove the association between Boyd Corp and its parent, Genstar Capital, if we're going to allow an acquisition to take place. Here we're showing removing the association between Boyd Corp and its parent, Genstar Capital, and the reason for that is the acquisition. You can see here we're including our data governance feature. Once we have verified that Boyd Corp is no longer part of the Genstar Capital hierarchy, we need to bring in the Goldman Sachs entity and all of its children. Searching for Goldman Sachs, we're able to locate that, bring it into our current workflow, and now we can do a search to add the association of Boyd Corporation to Goldman Sachs. In this case, we're going to set it up as a subsidiary relationship type at 100% ownership. You can see that change is being made right now. Once that's completed, you can see the hierarchy view of Goldman Sachs has been updated to include Boyd Corporation, and our association section that lists all the associations of Goldman Sachs and its children also show Boyd Corporation. Once this is completed, we can now go back in and verify that Goldman Sachs truly has acquired Boyd Corporation. You can see now that we've verified it by searching the hierarchy of Goldman Sachs, we are able to locate Boyd Corp within the organizational structure. We can also search for Boyd Corp in the association section to see more detailed information about their relationship. Thank you for joining me, and I appreciate you tuning in for another one of Kingland's demo videos.